Guys, if you're looking for your first motorhome, you can't beat a Class C motorhome. They are the best bang for the buck. You get a lot of space for the least amount of money. You have a van, cab. You've got a larger than a queen bed over the cab. In this particular Integra model, you also have a shade here that covers the sunroof, which is really nice for the front bunk up here. You have your television. Got some charging ports and USB ports up here. There's some cup holders in the corners. Really nice coach. And then you have slide outs that give you a lot more room. You have a love seat there that can make into a bed. You have a dinette that can make into another bed. You have a nice sized kitchen, double sink, larger fridge and freezer than what you'll normally find in like a Class B van. You've got a lot more storage, which is important. You can get these with queen or king beds depending on floor plan. You have lots of wardrobe space, and another thing that's really nice about these is you actually have a real bath that has a separate shower from the toilet, just like at home. Oven and microwave. The nice thing about one of these too, generators built in. You've got enough space here that even if it rains, you've got more than enough room in here for everybody to be comfortable, can sit and play games. Just makes it a really nice experience. Now, another advantage about a motorhome, down here you have your touch panel for your hydraulic leveling. So with these, you just hit auto level. This thing will level itself. If you get to the campsite and it's pouring down rain, no worries. You don't even have to go outside the door. You just park it, put your levelers down, provided you're on a hard surface like hard packed gravel or asphalt or concrete, and just level it up. Just hit auto level, it'll do the rest all on its own. Then you put your slides out. All of this is push button, so you don't have anything to do manually. It's just push a few buttons and you are camping. And if you need air conditioning, it's not a problem. A lot of times you already have your generator running, so you have your roof air. And then you just wait out the rain. Once the rain stops, then you go out and just plug in your power cord. But you can set this whole coach up by push button if it's raining when you get to the campsite. Really nice. Alright guys, we're going to go around the outside of this Class C now. This is an Integra 27U. What's really nice about this is it's small enough you can get into any state and national park with this. You've got an outside television. You have marine grade speakers out here on your patio. There's your hot water heater, your furnace exhaust. You have lots of storage outside on a Class C. This you will not have on a B van. We also have an outside LP port here, so you can run a gas grill off of this. You have a trailer hitch. You've already got the wiring for the hitch. You've got a rear backup camera so you can see behind you when you're backing up. There's a monitor in the cab. You have a ladder to access the roof. More storage. And then there's your generator. And they put the generator farthest from the bedroom. That way if you do want to pull over somewhere at a rest area or a Cracker Barrel and grab a little bit of sleep, you don't have to worry about that noise from the generator. They also put awning toppers on these slides. That's a very good thing to have, because as you can see here, we're kind of parked under a tree. If those were not there, sticks could fall on top of the slide, and when you bring the slide in, those sticks would tear the seals on the slide. Well, with these on here, the sticks are on top, and as the slide goes in, this goes in, the topper goes in with it, and the sticks just roll off and fall onto the ground. Protects your slides and your seals. You want those on any slide out that you have. Now the Integra started in the industry with nothing but high-end buses. I mean, I'm talking the big 45-foot tag axle diesels. You'll see Cornerstones, you'll see the Aspire, you'll see Anthem. That's where they started, and they've started now coming down into smaller motorhomes, but they're still a really, really well-built coach. And that brings me to their warranty, which most RVs are a 1-year warranty on the coach. Not these guys. They have one of the best warranties in the industry, and that's because they build the coach. They really do a outstanding job on construction. If you'll notice this front cap, that is all molded like a boat hull. There's no seams anywhere on the sides here, because that's where you normally get leaks on a Class C motorhome, but not these guys. You'll notice some are built on an E350, and some, like this one, are built on an E450. The only reason that there are some that are E350s does not mean that it's a lesser coach. It just means it's smaller, because that E350 is just not as strong. It's not built for as much weight as the E450. So if you see a 22-foot coach, then that's probably what you're going to find is an E350. But when you get up into the 25, 27s, you want an E450 chassis. Well, I hope this has been some help to you, and my phone number's on the screen. Give me a call if you have any questions, or if you're interested in this particular model. Thank you very much. As always, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you stay up to date on all the latest videos that we release. Also, check out our blog website, wolfrvblog.com. There you'll find all kinds of downloadable checklists and worksheets. You'll find all kinds of videos on troubleshooting, how-to videos, coach reviews, campground reviews, trips, you name it. It's a lot of information, a lot of fun. Go check it out.